Are you packing for a vacation like I am, or are you getting ready for a fam trip or a site inspection? In either case, shooting video and snapping great pictures while you're away is an awesome way to keep your social presence alive and your fans on the edge of their seats, waiting for your next post. Plus, you can be shooting and snapping for the future, building a library of images that you can use in future slideshows, blog posts, and e-newsletters. Here's a couple of things to make sure that you take along with you. First is sunscreen. As a redhead, it's the first thing that goes into my bag. Next is your phone and your charger, as well as an external microphone. And this external microphone is a iRig Lav, and it plugs right into my phone. And then the mic attaches to my lapel for a crisp, clear audio that'll ensure that your videos stand out. Next, I pack a tripod, a little mini tripod, and it's great for capturing interviews and for going live and staying steady on the job. The next thing is a Diva light, and who doesn't want to look their best? And clip this right on to the top of your phone. And the next thing is a pocket charger. It's such a bummer when you don't have quite enough power to capture an amazing experience. Whether you're doing a live stream or just capturing video on your camera roll, keep in mind the background noise and the lighting. When you're interviewing somebody, check out that ambient noise. Is there nearby traffic, music, or so many people around that your interview conversation will be missed? Try to find a quiet spot with a compelling backdrop. When you go live in a destination, consider the time zone difference. We want to be sure to capture as many people as possible to see your great live stream video. Happy travels!